All right, so we back with another one, but this one is not about day trading. This one is to show you on the 8 trades that I caught. I'm up about what $4,400, right? Literally invested about, I think it was in total of like 19 from, I think it was like 16 to 18K, right? I got 8 swing trade positions. Let's look at the first one, right, which is Coral Reaver, ticker symbol CRWV. As you see, I'm up 101%, right? So let's break this one down. So this one, as you see here, we on a daily time frame, right? See, this is where I bought it at, right here at this dot. So now you see this is a resistance at this zone, right? So we already know what's old resistance turn into new support. So you see how it's rejecting here, drops, right? Rejecting. Now we finally get back above, right? We never come back to this level, right? So this is a level where buyers can be at, right? Now this is not using ICT concept. This is just using support and resistance in key zones, right? Supply and demand. It pops up. Now we start actually breaking down. We come right down to this level. So as it as we see, it's in this zone. So first, I don't just want to buy, right? I want to wait to see how it holds, right? So you see, it's holding here. Pops up, it's holding. It has multiple days. One, two, three. Day 3, it had a pop up. Day 4, day 5 is holding, and it finally pops. So I take a long position here, targeting. I'm actually targeting first of all this first high, but you see we're already up. We're already up 100 because we had got 75. So we had got, sorry, 75 call. Wait, this is the wrong stock. I'm tripping. I'm charting the wrong stock. That's crazy. So let's just go with this one. This one is Oracle. So on Oracle, we're up. Oh, we're up nice on Oracle. We're up 53% on Oracle. So let's see. You see right here, one position, right here. You see how it says, look right here, around this zone, right here, it says 53%, right? So up 50%, up $947, right, on Oracle. So I basically already broke down why I was in this play. So let's go to the Core Weaver play because that's 50%. So you see we're already up 50%. So we're targeting up here. I only got one contract. So let's go to Core Weaver right here. Same thing, right? It breaks out, comes back to this zone here because this was a recent resistance that it broke out of, turned into new support. You see how it's holding 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day. So you see here I bought a 75 call. So you see 75. I bought it right here when it was at $75 right here, and you see I'm already up 100%. See here, bought it at 75. So you see here, so up 18. It went up 18%. So I'm up 100% on that trade. Let's what's next here. Let's go to the Netflix play because I'm down on this play. You see how here it was holding this trend line right here, and it was at a recent resistance, turning support. So you see I bought it right here, and on Netflix I'm down 32%. That's the first one up here. So you see I bought a 107 call right, right here. It's the first one right here, down 37%. So you see how here it broke resistance. So I got this trade all the way till March. So I got a lot of time on it. And Netflix is a great company. So hopefully we can get back above in this channel. Get back above in this channel, targeting up here, right? But the next one that we are down on is CrowdStrike. This one was up big. So same thing, right? It's holding this channel. Every time it hits this channel here, bounce, 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 broke out, come back, bounce. So that's where I bought it here. You see how it rallied up. So I was up already like 80% on this trade, but it ended up coming back, and I was down here. So on that trade, I'm down only 10% on the second one. It's the second one that's red. Right, CrowdStrike only down 10%. Let's go to Palantir. You see this one right here gave us a monster rally. Palantir, I'm up 73%. As you see here, it's this one right here. You see, I had got about a 165 call, so I bought it around this zone here. So I saw it bounce here, and it went. By the time I bought it, it was already up here. So the Palantir call, I bought it 65. You see, it's already up here. I'm targeting this zone, so I'm already up 73%. On Thursday, Friday, I was up 100% on Palantir, but you see, it kind of came back down a little bit. And the next one is I already showed you Oracle. We got Uber. So Uber, same thing. It was at a resistance, resistance, resistance. When it comes back, support. So you see here, I bought it, and it already hit our level. But I'm up 53% on Uber. Yeah, Uber is this one right here. Up 50% on Uber. So we there. Oklo, I already showed you Oklo. Oh, did I show you Oklo? No, I didn't show you Oklo. Same thing. All the plays look exactly the same. At support, I'm sorry, resistance. Now it's at support here. You see I bought it here. It already reached the first target, which was here, which is TP1. And this is Oklo. You see Oklo, I'm up 53% also. That's this one right here. This one right here. Up 53% on Oklo. See right here, it says 53%. And I got all these contracts cost around like $2,000. The only one that was real expensive. So majority plays cost 2,000. When I swung them for like, oh hold on, we looking at ARM, and then on ARM I'm up 17% on ARM. So you see here, it's at this support. You see we're doing good. It's bouncing. So we got a nice bounce. So we're up 17%. So I got all these trades for about a month. No, I'm sorry, 3 months. So all of these, so Netflix is all the way to March. Yeah, they're all to March. So yep. So as you see, we're green on. We got 8 trades out of the 8. Their majority of them, all of them are in the money. Invested around 17 to 18K. We're up 25. We're up already 29% of all of the portfolio in literally 5 days. Eight swing trades. We're 6 for 8. 6 of them are green. 2 of them already reached 100%, and other the other 6 are about. So we got one at 17%, another one. So we got ARM at 17%. We got Uber at 53%. We got Oklo at 53%. We got Oracle at 61%. We got Palantir at 73%. We got Core Reaper is at 100%. That's the 6. So those 6 trades all in the green, all of them above. What I just said 60%, except for the ARM is 17%. And then we got CrowdStrike, which was green, which was where's CrowdStrike? CrowdStrike was, it gave us what we wanted a little bit. So you see it popped. Bought it down here. It popped out. It bought it somewhere up here. It popped already. But you see, it's still good. It's still good. We only down what 10% on that one, and then on a Netflix play, the Netflix just did some. They just did something. They just bought. I think Netflix just bought Warner Brothers. So what that means is they actually bought a movie company, Warner Brothers, and they bought another one. So they just spent like $70 billion or something like that acquiring those two companies, and you see it dropped. But it should have come back up because as you see from the earnings, they just keep beating earnings, and it's like I said, it's at a discount right now, right? You see how where it was way up here is at a discount. So, I'm most likely gonna close the one that's at. So I only got one contract on all of these, so I don't want to be too greedy. I'm probably gonna close them out. I gotta close out Coral Reaver because Coral Reaver already gave us our 100%, but it didn't give us our target yet, right? We are trying to go catch it to go way up here. Crazy move, but that's why you want to get multiple accounts. That's why you want to always, not always, but once you get a flow over, you have enough liquidity in your portfolio. You actually want to get at least two multiple contracts when you can afford it. So once you reach 100% or close to 100%, you can start selling some and leaving the other one, playing with the other one as house money, right? Because you already got your initial investment back and your return. So on all of these, I only got one contract. So we're probably gonna close out Core Reaver, and then once Palantir get to this line, I'll probably be over 100%. I close it here, which is only $5 more. On Palantir, each dollar it moves, I make $70, right? So if it's here and it goes up, is at 82, goes up 87, that's five. That's is at 81, and if it goes, that's $6. So six times 70, that's an extra 420. Yeah. So I'm $400, basically $400 away from my 100%, and I close it, and yeah, that's my update, and that's a wiki. So you see, last thing. So as you see, overall, I am. So overall, I'm up $4,400 in a week, which is 29% of my investment at the bottom down here, down here. 29%, 29% of 4,400 is like around what, 18, 19,000. That's how much the investment was. So $4,400 in a week is kind of crazy. And I literally go to work. I could literally go to work and make what, around 12, 13, $1,300 a week at work. And this is swing trading. This is not long term investment, or this is not day trading. You know what I'm saying? So going to the day trading side of things, we call it amazing trade. Look at this amazing trade. So first of all, pre-market. So pre-market, we swept out these lows right here, right at around 8:50 in the morning, and then we just respected bullish flow all the way up. So break this down. So first of all, we sweep it, we come back up. First of all, we get multiple fair value gaps. Never came back into it. So we leave in breakaway gaps. That's bullish, right? We respected this gray zone that's right here, right, which is a new day opening gap. We respected it to the T. Poop, rally above. That's bullish. We create a breaker, low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Respected it perfectly. Lovely. Order block. These three down closed candles right here is a order block. Touches it perfectly, expands away, leaving another breakaway gap right there. Right before, so now it's 9 o'clock. You see I respecting another new day opening gap. That's right here. Midnight open right here. Look how it respects it to the T. Touches it perfectly. Rallies above. 9:30 open. 9:30 open. We come up. Boom. Sweep out all this buy side. 9:30 open. Come all the way back down. Then we come all the way back down. Respect this Bissy. right? That got created right before 9:30, right? Literally tap this down close candle, which is this order block right here. Look how it taps it perfectly. Boop. Don't have the willingness to get to the 8:30 open. Don't have the willingness to get to the midnight open. Don't have the willingness to get to this new day opening gap right here. Closes way up here, volatile. Then we create order block here, breakaway. Never come into the order block. I mean to the fair value gap. Expands away, creates an order block right here. Respect it. Propulsion block, order block on top of another order block. Propulsion because it's gonna propel and propel. Gonna propose the. It's just gonna accelerate, right? Create it and then I caught my long right here. Touched it. Caught my long literally right here. Stop loss right below because we created multiple things, right? We created a breaker first of all, low, high, lower, low, higher, high, right? We got a order block here, breakaway. We got a mitigation, right? It's just we got a mitigation. We got a high, high, low. Sorry, no mitigation. Sorry, it just those multiple things. And then I caught my play here. You see as it's coming into the this zone here, which is the breaker, the most sensitive part. You see how the whole this last bullish candle here. Perfect. Look how it comes into it. Respects the upper half. Respects the upper half. Rally. Leave the fair value gap. Come right back. Touches it. Expands higher. TP. Right. Got a nice little 1.5 risk reward. Catch you on the next one, man. Let's get it.